你好，我是静，我来自中国，我的老家在四川。你来自哪里？谢谢，再见，不客气。So, in this series of videos, I will introduce the 100 most common Chinese characters, which, according to research, cover 47% of daily reading and writing. And that means after watching this series of video, hopefully if you can remember all the characters, that'll be better. After this, you will be able to recognize almost half of Chinese characters in daily life. In the video, I have these characters marked with pinyin, so the first time you're watching this video, you can repeat after me to practice its pronunciation, and then you can try to muse the sound of the video and try to pronounce it yourself to see if you have memorized that. I also have the strokes of the characters in GIF, so it helps you understand how the character is written. Of course, it will be difficult for you to write it actually yourself, but at least it will help you understand the structure of the character, and hopefully it will make it easier for you to recognize the character next time you see it. The main meaning of the characters is also presented in the video. A Chinese character can mean differently in different words and sentences, but most of them have one or some certain meanings. So if you know one meaning of the character, it will help you understand and memorize faster other meanings. So to sum it up, this is like the basic introduction of 100 most common Chinese characters. I am also making a, you can say, complicated version or advanced version of those 100 characters. I'll use them in words, in more words and sentences, combining with other characters, so it helps you understand better of those characters. And I will also add some, just a little grammar in the video. So if you have an interest, follow me and subscribe.